Wealth, they say, can buy a house, but it cannot buy a home. It can buy a bed, but not sleep. In Enugu, children are learning a lesson that gold cannot fake with the Igbo Identity Media Secondary School Drama Competition themed Eziafa Ego. The group is focused on making sure the next generation sustains Igbo language through the power of drama and the art of letter writing. Witness as students from across the state prove that a good name, our identity, is the greatest inheritance of all. As Ido River Girls Secondary School came first, followed by Comprehensive Secondary School, Uhobe Oba.
Igbo Identity Media. The ULA as a new God, Igbo, Gabo Akaraki,
They said that we should rewrite the essay so they'll know whether we are truly the ones that wrote it. So after rewriting it, I came first. I feel very, very, very happy, and it's all thanks to my teachers.
I'm thanking the organizers, those that make here to be like this. I'm thanking them and I'm appreciating them. My prayer is to God will bless them very well.
Through every spoken proverb and every handwritten line of Asosibo, the flame of Igbo culture beams brighter than ever.
Engineer Longinus Ekwe is the founder and CEO of this organization. And I'm here trying to help his mission, his vision to be what? Missionized. So we're hoping that with time we'll reach out to other states in Igbo land and other lovers of Igbo land.
These younger ones, the growing up ones, some of them don't even know how to speak their dialect, talk more of Central Igbo. So this was actually to motivate them that it is necessary for you to know your father's language.
We are many, we are in different parts of the world. We should put our mind together to ensure that our language continues, that our language should not diminish. Our language is dying day by day. Our culture is dying. People do not value our culture. Many of our children do not know their roots.
I heard the word I heard from other persons last time that Igbo language is declining. It is not true. When we have people who are ready to die because of Igbo language. So I want them, other person, to come up.
This is not just a contest, but also a movement to ensure that the Igbo spirit never goes silent. The Igbo media identity therefore solicits for support from individuals, corporate organizations, and Enugu State. In Enugu, Ifeinwa Daniel Okpai, NTN News.